How to switch back to a personal account on Instagram from a professional account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram from professional. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Business Tools and Controls. After that, tap on Switch Account Type. Then tap on Switch to Personal Account. Here, confirm by tapping on Switch to Personal Account again. Finally, go back and refresh your profile page. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.